Yes, boss, how's it? Alright?
I'm riding, bro.
You're gonna go with me quickly on the corner, man. I just wanted to help. I'm gonna give you something.
Okay.
Don't pull it up, it's broken, man.
Okay. Sit net so, man.
Ja, sit net so, sit af en toe, alright. Sit in die middel, hè. Dus hy ziet een stuk in naam.
Okay.
Wat is je naam?
David.
David. Ja, David, ons rijdt funeral, man. Ze kent funeral?
Ja, ik ben.
Huh?
Ja.
Ja, nou, ons gaan rijden gewoon funeral, gewoon. Net een body optel. Ja, maar die kar, mijn broer, is recht. Ja, weet je, die mensen, die karren, het klom vanuit tokkel losgoeden in. Ik is bang van die kak, nou, ik wil niet rijden alleen. Kijk, die guy is fucked up, zo.
Yes, it's drunk.
No, he's not drunk.
Yeah.
It's a spirit, it's a ghost that go in him. Kijk uit. Wacht even. Relax. Relax. You clean wash, ne? Wait. Relax, don't the door. Los op. Relax. Open the door. The door can't open, it's locked.
Oh, open
the door is locked. Pray, my brother.
Open.
My brother.
Please open the door.
Yeah, los. Wow, relax.
Open the door, please, brother, man. Please.
Wait.
Please, brother, open the door, brother.
We're gonna start to pray now.
Ay, man.
It's a tokolos, my brother. Don't go on. You know what is tokolos?
Please, my Buddha man, go.
It's a spirit. It's a spirit.
Please, Buddha man.
It's set, bro. Relax.
Please, brother man. Please.
My tijd op hier.
Please.
My brother. Don't touch it. Go over.
My body.
Jij los hem. Wait. Go away. Wait, my brother.
Please open.
Wait, my brother. Relax, man.